यूके इस्लामिक मिशन के मरकजी सदर चौधरी ज़ियाउल हक ने तमाम अहले इस्लाम को ईद की मुबारकबाद पेश की।
This holy month of Ramadan is drawing to an end, and I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants acceptance to all your fasting and all your ibadah. This year has been quite a hard year because there was a lockdown and we were unable to perform our regular ibadahs, spiritual gatherings within our masajid. We have lost some of our companions through this COVID-19 epidemic. Some of us have lost their loved ones through this COVID-19. I pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants all the deceased with Jannatul Firdaus and raises their status as Shaheed in the hereafter. Some of us have really worked very hard trying to help the needy and the vulnerable within the society. They have sometimes risked their lives doing so. Our eye care department in many branches have really worked so good, and inshallah I feel that their work and their effort will show some remarkable results in the future. Our masajid were unable to reach their targets because of this COVID-19, but however, through the help of some very talented and professional people within our organization who came forward to help, we managed to hold our programs, our meetings, and also set some portals which are fundraising portals online. So many of our branches made the best out of the worst situation. These individuals' help has really worked, and inshallah we will look forward to seeking their help in the future, because we need to take our organization to the higher level, and I'm sure these capable people will help us do so. I pray that you have a very happy Eid, and inshallah I pray that soon this lockdown is lifted and we can again happily see each other and inshallah do the work for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.